Welcome to the incredible world of bananas, a staple food for millions and a favorite snack for people around the globe. Let's peel back the layers and discover how bananas grow. Interestingly, bananas aren't trees but actually giant herbs, related to lilies and orchids.
Bananas come from plants that can grow up to 25 feet tall, and the fruit itself develops from a flower without needing pollination.
Did you know that there are over 1,000 varieties of bananas? However, the Cavendish banana is the most widely consumed worldwide. The original banana, believed to be the world's first fruit, first grew in the region that includes Papua New Guinea, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines.
Bananas are naturally radioactive due to their potassium content, but you'd have to eat more than 10 million bananas at once for a lethal dose.
A cluster of bananas is known as a hand, while a single banana is called a finger.
Bananas float in water because they are less dense in comparison. The phrase "going bananas" was first recorded in the Oxford English Dictionary, and it's believed to stem from the banana's effect on the brain, thanks to its high levels of potassium.
Bananas can help overcome depression due to high levels of tryptophan, which is converted into serotonin, the happy mood brain neurotransmitter.
Eating a banana can lower the body temperature and cool you down on a hot day.
The inside of a banana peel can help relieve itching and inflammation from bug bites.
The word banana is thought to be of West African origin, derived from the Wolof word banan, and was introduced into the English language from Spanish or Portuguese.
Bananas are the most popular fruit in the world, with more than 100 billion eaten annually.
India is the largest producer of bananas, followed by China and the Philippines.
Bananas were first introduced to America at the Philadelphia Centennial Exposition of 1876, where they were sold wrapped in foil for 10 cents each.
A medium-sized banana contains about 105 calories and is a natural source of vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium, dietary fiber, and manganese. Bananas can be used to make vinegar, and in some parts of the world, banana vinegar is a common ingredient in cooking.
Surprisingly, bananas can be used to polish silverware and leather shoes, thanks to the potassium content of their peel.
Bananas have a natural antacid effect and can provide relief from acid reflux or heartburn.
Alexander the Great first encountered bananas in the Indian subcontinent and introduced this exotic fruit to the Western world. Before the popularization of the Cavendish variety, the Gros Michel was the dominant banana type, but it was nearly wiped out by a fungal disease in the mid-20th century.
Bananas are key ingredients in many beauty products, including shampoos and conditioners, due to their moisturizing properties.
The banana plant is actually classified as a berry, according to botanical standards.
There's a method called banana republic, which refers to politically unstable countries whose economies are largely dependent on exporting a limited resource product, like bananas.
Bananas are integral to various cultural and religious ceremonies in different parts of the world, symbolizing fertility, prosperity, and auspicious beginnings.
In Japan, bananas are used to improve learning ability by stimulating brain power.
The flower of the banana plant is also edible, and is used in salads, soups, and stews in Asian cuisine.
A unique species of banana called red banana exists and is known for its reddish-purple skin and creamy sweet flesh.
Bananas release ethylene gas, which accelerates the ripening process of other fruits, hence why they should be stored separately. The peels of bananas contain lutein, an important antioxidant for eye health, which can help protect against macular degeneration.
There's been research into banana peel's ability to absorb heavy metals from water, pointing towards its potential use in environmental cleanup efforts.
A diet high in bananas can lower blood pressure and reduce the risks of cancer and asthma, thanks to its high potassium and low sodium content.
The Fibonacci sequence appears in the way banana clusters are formed.
In 2001, Britain's favorite snack was revealed to be the banana, overtaking the apple for the first time.
Not only humans, but also many animals, including monkeys and elephants, love bananas and often eat them in their natural habitats. Bananas can be fermented and distilled to produce alcohol. In some countries, banana beer is a traditional and popular beverage.
Lastly, bananas symbolize wealth and abundance in feng shui and are considered lucky to have in the house.
Thank you for exploring the wonderful world of bananas with us. Remember, this versatile fruit is not just a snack but a fascinating symbol of nature's bounty.